Okay, guys. So let's have an example of what I'm saying that during a what's this? DC current supply or voltage supply, yung capacitor natin is nag-open circuit. So in this example, in this problem, we have the circuitry, we have a 6 milliampere current source supplying ito na load. So, ang tanong, obtain the energy stored in each capacitor. So, we have 2 millifarad and also we have 4 millifarad. So, to solve this one, simply, ang gagawin natin is, ito-transform natin this circuitry into this na circuitry. As you can see, ang nangyari dyan is yung capacitor natin dito is nag-open circuit siya and also this one nag-open circuit ka din dyan. Now, what happened kung nag-open circuit ka dyan? So as you can see in this figure, yung walang current na dadaan dito kasi nga nag-open circuit yan. So let us say pinutol. So meaning walang dadaan na current dyan. And also this one, dahil walang dadaan dito na current, ang 5 kilo ohms mo na resistor is walang voltage yan. And also walang dadaan na current dyan. So kaya walang current dyan. So and also, ang mangyari dyan is, ang voltage V1 mo is simply equal to the voltage in 2 kilo ohms. Bakit? Kasi nga, they are parallel. So, and also, this one also, bakit naging ang voltage V2 mo is naging equal sa 4 kilo ohms na voltage, di ba? Kasi kung makikita nyo is, since walang voltage walang voltage yung 5 kilo ohms mo is manineglect yan. So meaning, mangyari dyan is parang short circuit yan. So kung titingnan mo is parang parallel lang yung V2 mo dito sa 4 kilo ohms mo na resistors. The reason why we have na voltage V1 natin is simply equal to the voltage in 2 kilo ohms and also we have V2 natin is simply equal to the voltage of the 4 kilo ohms na resistor. So by simply applying current division, kasi nga we will use the current to have the voltages in respective resistors for 2 kilo ohms and also 4 kilo ohms. Now, kunin natin yung current natin dito is mangyari dyan is we have applying current division, we have 3 kilo ohms times 6 milliampere all over 3 kilo ohms plus 6 kilo ohms. So, ang 6 kilo ohms na to class is kinuha yan by 2 plus 4 which is 6 kasi they are in series. So now, we now have the certain value of a current which is 2 milliampere. Now, by applying Ohm's law, we have V is equal to IR. So, the voltage for 2 kilo ohms, we have 2 milliampere multiplied by 2 kilo ohms, we have 4 volts. Kasi nga, yung M na yan, class na prefix is yan yung milli. Alam natin na milli is 1x to the power of negative 3. And while for K natin is we have 1 times the power of 3. Yung isa is negative 3 for milli. And while for kilo, we have 3. So, i-multiply mo yon magiging 1 lang sila. So, the reason, naging 2 times 2 na lang. So, we have 4. So, now we have the voltage for V1 for the capacitor 1. We have 4 volts. And also, having yung 2 milliampere times 4 kilo ohms, we have 8 na voltage. Voltage natin dito mismo sa dito. So, now we have this one. So, to have the energy, the formula for energy is, one of the formula is we have 1/2 CV squared. So we have for capacitor 1, we have 1 millifarad multiplied by 4 squared. So we have 0.016 joule or 16 millijoule. And for this one also, for energy for the capacitor 2, we have 1/2 4 millifarad multiplied by 8 volts squared, we have 0.128 joule or 128 millijoule. So, ang mga other formulas na binigay ko kanina or diniscuss natin kanina is a simply self-exploration kasi nga, aside from being plug-in values, and also yun nga, we have derivatives. Alam nyo na kung paano gawin yung derivatives, and also yung anti-derivatives. So ito yung i-highlight ko lang paano natin i-apply yung open circuit na capacitor pag supplied by a DC source.